Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Sihan is the kind of character who becomes more dangerous the more calm he looks. On the surface, he appears controlled, practical, and cold enough to survive in the family built on hierarchy and pressure. But the real reason he stands out in Uzek Sahir is because he is never just one thing. He is authority, burden, loyalty, anger, and silence all living inside the same man. That is what makes him fascinating. He is not introduced as a soft romantic lead who arrives to save Alia. He belongs to the system that traps her. He protects the family name, carries responsibilities on his shoulders, and understands that the cruel logic of the world they live in. But even when he does things that seem harsh, there is always another layer behind this action. He is not only protecting power, sometimes he is protecting everyone from something even worse. And that is where the emotional conflict begins. Alia forces him to see life from a different angle. She challenges his certainty. She questions the traditions he was raised to defend. She brings Jaws into his careful, controlled world, and the truth is, Sihan cannot ignore that choice because deep down he knows she is not wrong. The strongest scenes with Sihan are not the loud ones. They are the moments when he says littles, but his face reveals the battle inside him. He wants order, but Alia brings truth. He wants duty, but his heart starts moving in a different direction. He tries to stay loyal to the family, yet every step he takes toward that loyalty pulls him away from himself. Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates related to the Turkish series.